Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to A to Z tutorials. In our previous tutorials we had learned how to show data on screen from our SQL Server database. In this tutorial we will learn how to update data in our database through our C# code. For this purpose we have to drag a button. We have to drag a button for update. Name it update. Double click on this button to reach the event of this button. Now for update, same as we done in our previous two tutorials, by using approach, declare the SQL connection. Pass your connection string. Declare SQL command. Give connection to your command. Open connection. Give your command type. Now we are updating our data, so we will use the update query, which is update in inverted commas, update from update tbl underscore rec set name equals to add name. Add name is our parameter which will give it to update. Fname equals to add fname, add age for age, age equals to add age,